This just in, a bunch of ToneSlabs picks. Just got them in the mail. They are all Play Nately limited edition custom branded picks. And a couple of you have one on the way already. Well, they're here in my hand, but they're about to be on the way. And for anybody who wants to win one of these, in my next class, Mando Licks That Changed Everything, starting February 26th, everyone who joins the class is going to have a raffle opportunity to win one of two picks. I'm giving away two picks, plus I'm giving away a private lesson for free. It's a $110 value for the lesson, and custom branded picks from ToneSlabs are $40 a piece. So you have a chance at all of those. And if you sign up as a VIP class member, you get a 30-minute private lesson with me, plus you get an extra chance in the raffle to win a pick or a private lesson, and you get an item from my store, a hat, a t-shirt, a CD, a DVD. So you get all that stuff if you sign up as a VIP. All right, the link's down below. Sign up now, and maybe you'll win one of these picks.